Initiate Phase 2. Initiate Phase 2. Let the main structure rise.
Phase 3 focuses on detailing and interior support. Crews must secure the primary ceiling grids and wall frames. This ensures all secondary systems meet safety standards.
System optimization is complete.
To build a civilization inside a living volcano, engineering must first conquer the erratic fury of the Earth itself. Standard excavation tools are useless here. We require specialized diamond core drills, capable of piercing dense, cooled volcanic crust. Precision mapping ensures that the city's primary load-bearing pillars will anchor directly into the most stable tectonic plates available. Every structural element must be reinforced with titanium alloys, designed to withstand extreme thermal expansion. The foundation ring forms the structural bedrock of the entire metropolis, distributing weight evenly across the shifting magma chambers below. This proprietary geopolymer concrete blend actually gains compressive strength when exposed to extreme environmental heat. Construction continues uninterrupted through the night, utilizing advanced thermal imaging to monitor shifting underground hotspots. Eliminating microscopic air pockets within the pore is critical to preventing explosive decompression later on. With the outer ring secured, crews begin the intricate process of layering the inner seismic shock absorbers. These massive dampening pads allow the entire city to glide smoothly over localized micro-earthquakes. The arrival of the heavy lifting cranes signals the transition from ground excavation to vertical assembly. On-site fabrication shops work continuously to modify structural steel segments to exact millimeter tolerances. A secondary thermal barrier is erected to deflect radiant heat away from the primary residential zones. Robotic welding units ensure flawless structural integrity along every major stress point of the foundation. Nearly 1 million metric tons of reinforced material now anchor the city firmly to the caldera's floor. Continuous electronic monitoring provides early warning signs of any significant magmatic displacement. Logistics inside an active volcano require a meticulously timed supply chain to avoid bottlenecking on the narrow access ramps. Heavy hydraulic systems manage the intense physical loads required to lock the primary structural joints into place. Utilizing native volcanic rock as a thermal insulator reduces the project's reliance on external raw materials. Every high-tension bolt is torqued to exact specifications to handle the constant, subtle vibrations of the volcano. Geothermal venting is a constant hazard, safely managed by localized diversion shrouds. These subfloor conduits will soon house the critical life support, water, and power grids for the entire population. The completion of the primary slab marks the definitive end of the hazardous subterranean phase. Non-destructive testing ensures that not a single microscopic fracture exists within our primary defense perimeter. With the unbreakable foundation locked into the earth, the city is finally ready to rise toward the sky. The vertical superstructure begins its ascent, forming a rigid skeletal cage designed to distribute immense geometric loads. Pin connections allow the rising superstructure to survive intense thermal expansion. The city's terraced profile maximizes structural stability, while aerodynamic air paths are left open to vent rising volcanic gases. Operating hundreds of feet above a live volcanic floor demands absolute focus and specialized high-altitude safety protocols. Flash precipitation presents a unique cooling challenge. It requires real-time monitoring of steel contraction rates. Thousands of shear studs are fused to the steel beams to permanently bind them to the upcoming concrete floor decks. Lightweight composite decking provides the immediate working platforms needed for upper-level assembly crews. Pumping specialized concrete vertically through intense heat zones requires highly insulated, pressurized conduit systems. Every ascending tier reinforces the strength of the tier below it, creating a self-supporting architectural ecosystem. High-speed material hoists keep a constant vertical flow of supplies moving to the upper assembly decks.
Maintaining perfect geometric symmetry prevents uneven load distribution across the active volcanic floor.
Precision crane operations are assisted by advanced wind and thermal updraft tracking software. These monumental central shafts will act as the lungs of the city, channeling fresh air down while expelling ambient heat. Regular inspections verify that every single connection maintains its integrity under constant structural load. The skeletal core of the Volcano city has officially altered the landscape of the ancient caldera. The installation of the outer skin begins, even as the upper structural steel continues to climb. The interlocking tiered design minimizes the building's surface profile against potential external rockfalls. Continuous laser alignment guarantees that the building remains perfectly plumb despite subtle ground shifts. Specialized perimeter canopies are introduced to shield the inner pedestrian zones from falling ash. Cantilevered engineering allows for expansive open indoor spaces without sacrificing the rigidity of the outer structural shell. The sheer scale of the vertical structure creates a controlled microclimate within the heart of the volcano. Every square inch of structural steel is insulated against catastrophic radiant heat transfer. 24-hour construction schedules ensure the structural core is locked together before seasonal tectonic shifts occur. The structural framework reaches its maximum intended height, securing the vertical boundary of the city. With the main superstructure successfully completed, the focus shifts to internal stabilization and vital life support systems. The intricate nervous system of the city is woven through its core, utilizing heavily insulated, high-voltage conduit grids. Internal plumbing systems must feature advanced corrosion resistance to withstand the sulfur-heavy atmosphere outside. High-strength silica glass panels seal the living spaces, providing clear views while maintaining strict climate control. Commercial-grade air filtration arrays are installed to scrub incoming atmospheric air of fine volcanic particulate matter. Non-combustible interior partitions divide the vast structural floors into safe, manageable living and working zones. Reflective interior barriers ensure that cooling efficiency is maximized throughout the habitable spaces. By tapping directly into the volcano's immense heat, the city secures a virtually limitless source of clean energy. High-pressure steam management requires military-grade seals, capable of handling fluctuating volcanic output. Zoned safety compartments allow the city to instantly isolate individual sections in the event of an external breach. Durable ceramic floor coverings provide excellent thermal mass properties, help stabilize indoor temperatures. Subterranean agricultural and park zones are integrated directly into the city's air recycling ecosystem. Decentralized smart grids ensure that localized power failures can be instantly bypassed to keep life support running. Every pedestrian walkway is outfitted with high-durability safety balustrades, engineered for high occupancy loads. Automated agriculture networks will soon provide the city with complete food security independent of the outside world. An emission-free mass transit rail system connects the multi-tiered city rings seamlessly. Airtight seals prevent the subtle infiltration of toxic ambient gases into the domestic zones. Closed-loop water recycling systems ensure that over 95% of the city's water supply is continuously reclaimed. Clear, permanent identification markings are critical for navigating the dense, multi-level layout during emergencies. Massive energy storage facilities provide critical backup power should geothermal turbine systems require maintenance.
Interior acoustics are carefully managed to minimize the low-frequency rumble of the surrounding volcanic activity. Continuous exterior maintenance systems prevent ash buildup from obscuring natural light filtration. High-speed data links connect internal monitoring sensors to the central processing mainframe instantly. The Central Operations Hub serves as the brain of the metropolis, coordinating all life support and civic infrastructure. Rigorous pressure testing confirms the absolute integrity of every primary environmental barrier. With the interior systems fully integrated and operational, the city inside the volcano enters its final phase of refinement. Stripping away the temporary construction scaffolding reveals the striking, permanent geometry of the volcanic metropolis. Final surface raw industrial engineering into a highly refined civic environment. Living botanical ecosystems are now fully established, successfully producing oxygen within the sealed biosphere. Removing the protective coatings unveils the breathtaking juxtaposition of human architecture and raw planetary power. Automated transit systems complete their final dry runs, confirming perfect calibration across all sectors. Atmospheric stabilization systems are certified, confirming optimal oxygen levels across all residential tiers. Intelligent lighting arrays are synchronized to replicate natural circadian rhythms for the future inhabitants. Every structural asset undergoes a final comprehensive engineering sign-off to verify total regulatory compliance.
Economic zones stand completely prepared, marking the transition from a mere survival bunker to a vibrant habitat.
Geothermal power grids achieve full operational equilibrium, running the entire city cleanly and independently. Comprehensive cleaning protocols ensure that the interior environment remains entirely free of toxic ash residue. Hydrological systems achieve total circulation, adding a soothing acoustic ambience to the enclosed environment. Climate control grids successfully maintain a constant, comfortable interior temperature of 72 degrees. Digital infrastructure systems are online, providing intuitive nav aid assistance across all horizontal and vertical sectors.
The heavy machinery moves out, leaving behind a pristine, fully enclosed masterpiece of modern engineering.
The master systems are brought to full power, awakening the core of this monumental achievement. Sustenance production loops demonstrate full capacity, completing the final requirement for permanent self-sufficiency.
Hybrid energy systems utilize both internal geothermal force and external solar radiation for maximum resilience. Architecture and nature achieve a striking balance, transforming a hostile void into an iconic symbol of human ingenuity.
Global data arrays link the isolated volcanic settlement directly to the rest of international civilization. Living quarters offer unprecedented views of our planet's inner forces, while guaranteeing total environmental safety. Environmental defense fields hold perfectly stable, proving the definitive success of our multi-layered seal design.
As darkness falls over the ancient landscape, the city stands as a radiant testament to what can be built when AI design meets elite human engineering.
The gates are open, and a bold new chapter of subterranean human civilization officially begins.
What was once deemed an impossible artificial concept now stands real, permanent, and indestructible. A city carved out of